$7,800 in YouTube earnings last month. But here's the twist. I did not show my face in a single video. And the craziest part is that I'm going to show you exactly my entire playbook of how I did it and the most common mistakes that people run into when creating this type of content. I'm going to show you exactly how to create an entire YouTube video with artificial intelligence and how you can do the same thing even if you're camera shy or have zero video experience. You don't need any gear and you can get started right away. I'm going to let Julia explain to you what the secret weapon is in order to create this content without having to show your own face.
The secret weapon I've been using is called HeyGen. It's an AI video creation platform that lets you generate professional-looking videos without ever stepping in front of a camera. And unlike other AI video tools, HeyGen creates incredibly realistic avatars that actually look and sound natural. Let me walk you through exactly how it works. First, head to heygen.com and create an account. They offer a free trial so you can test it out before committing. Once you're in, click on Create Video and select Avatar Video. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a library of avatars to choose from. Pro tip, pick an avatar that matches your niche and target audience.
For business content, choose a professional-looking avatar.
For casual content, go with something more relaxed.
Now, here's the part most people get wrong. They just write their script and paste it in. But there's a specific format that works best with HeyGen's AI. I built this custom scriptwriter that uses exactly the format that HeyGen likes. You can access it in the description. This GPT formats your script and makes your script more viral by incorporating best copywriting principles and storytelling techniques. Regardless, you should break your script into short, conversational paragraphs, no more than 2 to 3 sentences each. This helps the AI deliver more natural-sounding speech. And always include pauses using 3 dots, just like this. It makes the delivery much more engaging. Once you have your script, paste it into the script part in HeyGen and edit the different parts so that it flows naturally. Next comes the voice selection. This is crucial. HeyGen offers over 300 AI voices in 175 languages. But here's a secret. Don't just pick the first voice you like. Test at least 5 different voices with your script. Pay attention to the pace of speech, the emotional range, and the accent compatibility with your target audience. And you will want to change the intonation of the voices. You can select anything from excited to calm to angry. This sentence is delivered with excitement, while this sentence is meant to be delivered in a serious tone. And I can even pretend to be angry. Beyond the different intonations, here's where it gets really interesting. HeyGen has some hidden features that 90% of users don't know about. Customize the voices to be faster and more engaging and play with the settings to make it sound more human-like. To make your video more professional, you can also do the following 5 hidden features. 1. Custom backgrounds. You can upload your own or use their green screen feature. 2. Scene transitions. Add professional transitions between scenes.
3. Multiple avatars. Create dialogue scenes between different AI characters.
4. Text overlays. Add captions and emphasize key points. 5. You can swap the faces of your avatar. I've actually created a detailed master guide that breaks down my entire process, including niches that would work well for this and video templates and exact scripts. I'll drop the link in the description. Once you're done with the scripting and voice selection and editing, you can select Submit, and the video will be created for you. Now let's talk about how to actually make money with this. Here's my exact strategy. 1. Choose a profitable niche, for example, technology tutorials, business marketing advice, or educational content. 2. Create content in batches. Write 10 scripts at once, generate all videos in one day, and schedule content for the entire month. 3. Optimization secrets. Use AI-generated thumbnails, craft hooks that stop the scroll, and implement pattern interrupts every 15-20 seconds. Let me save you some time and share the 5 biggest mistakes I made when starting. 1. Don't make videos longer than 7 minutes. Engagement drops significantly. 2. Avoid using the same avatar expressions repeatedly. 3.
Never use robotic-sounding voices.
Always do multiple tests. 4. Don't forget to add background music. It's crucial for engagement. 5. Edit your content to make it more engaging. Now for the moment of truth, this entire video was created using HeyGen. Yes, I'm an AI avatar.
Are you serious?
And I used my tricks from the Faceless Content Creation Guide and wrote my script with my custom viral scriptwriter GPT. Try it out for yourself.
And if you want to learn how to translate your content into all kinds of languages with AI in order to reach a bigger audience and make more money with your existing content, check out this video right here.